Davao Block 7 Top Rank Review Academy, what is your goal?
To top the board exam.
Okay, who got 5 and above? So, 5 and above. Marami yan. Okay. Who got, iwagay-wayin test paper syempre. Who got 10 and above? Ayan. Who got 15 and above? Aba, madami pa rin. Who got 20? 19? 18? 18? Sir, from what school? Saan po? Davao Doctors! A round of applause! Who got 18? Wala nang 18? 17? Tatlo. Aba, apat. Wait. Sa dulo muna tayo. Ma'am, from what school? Davao Doctors. Ma'am, sino pa? 17. Ma'am, from what school? Davao Doctors. Ma'am, si ma'am muna na nakatabi ni sir. Ma'am, from what school? St. Alexis. Ma'am, from what school? San Pedro Colleges. Ayan, ang 16 feeling ko marami. Who got 16? Ayan, ma'am, from what school? Davao Doctors. Sino pa? 16. Ma'am, from what school? San Pedro College. Ma'am, from what school? St. Alexis. Ma'am, from what school? San Pedro College. Ayan, nurses. Hala, palakpakan natin ang lahat. Ayan po. Okay, muli po, ako naman, Vince Gasmin, wilawin sa puso natin. May picture taking daw tayo, pero papasa ka ba?
Papasa!
Sasabay ka ba?
Sasabay!
Magtatap?
Magtatap!
Nurses, what is your goal?
To top the board exam.
And nurses, what is our real goal? To be rich, dahil ang RNI, rich nurse. Sige po, muli po ako naman, Vince Gasmin. Win na win sa puso natin. Ma'am, sana picture taking.